Dr. Butler.
Hello, Ellen. Your teacher told me that your class is learning about matter.
That's right. We just started talking about it yesterday, and it's all kind of confusing.
Well, all the states of matter and the properties can be kind of confusing when you first start to learn about them. That's why we're talking today. I want to help you understand everything there is to know about matter. So let's start with the basics. What are the three types of matter?
Solids, liquids, and gases.
Very good. How about the three properties of matter?
Mass, volume, and density.
Very good.
The problem is that I don't know what they all mean.
Well, that's why I'm here to help you. What's confusing you most?
Well, I'm not really sure what the difference is between mass and weight.
Well, that's a tough one. First of all, weight and mass are definitely not the same thing. Weight depends on where a person is, so like in space or on Earth. And mass measures the amount of stuff there is. And it's the same no matter where you are. So heavier things have more mass than lighter things.
That makes sense. What about volume?
Volume is the amount of space an object takes up. For example, let's think the volume of this ball, and compared to, to this one. Now, which one do you think is higher?
The big one.
And why is that?
Because it takes up more space.
Very good. So it sounds like you're beginning to understand. Now let's talk about density. Density is the mass of an object compared to its volume. And for example, take these two balls. Which one do you think is more dense?
The Nerf ball?
Well, keep in mind volume and mass. You see, the Nerf ball may be bigger, but it's actually the lacrosse ball that's more dense. This is because the lacrosse ball is heavier and smaller. This means that the mass is higher and that the volume is lower, making the comparison between the two a lot higher.
That makes sense.
And another way to think of density, if that's a little difficult, is whether or not things float in water. The density of water is 1. So if something is heavier than water, it sinks, and lighter than water, it floats. So which one of those two balls do you think would sink?
The lacrosse ball?
Very good. So it sounds like you're really starting to understand mass and volume and density now.
I understand them much better thanks to you.
Well, I'm glad I can help. If you have any more questions, feel free to let your teacher know so she can set up another meeting.
I will. Thanks again.
Yeah, no problem. Bye, Ellen.